Hey, this is Ryan from Office. Today I'm going to walk through how to start an Office 365 subscription. To begin, you'll need your 25-character product key. If you need help finding your product key, check out my other video on that topic. Once you have your product key, open your favorite internet browser and go to office.com/setup. Click Sign In. Use your login that you use for anything Microsoft. Or if you don't have a Microsoft account, click Create a New Account. Enter your email and then click Next. Then enter your password and click Sign In. Here's where you'll add your product key. After you do that, select your country or region and language from the drop-downs. Click Next. Review your Office subscription information and make sure it's all good. You'll notice that by default, automatic renewal is on. Obviously, keeping it on means your Office subscription is never interrupted. But this is up to you. Click Next. If you left automatic renewal on, enter your payment information and then click Next. Now you're set to install Office. Go to your Office account page by clicking Next. You're going to see Install a couple of times. Click Install on the Office account page, then click Install again to install your Office apps. Have other questions about Microsoft Office? Check out the other Office help videos. We're here to help you.